Hey, it's Sharron. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some fettuccine alfredo with chicken and broccoli. Okay, so we have some heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, Romano cheese. We have some Kerry gold butter. We have olive oil, parsley flakes, black pepper, salt, Italian season, lemon pepper. We have some onion powder. We also are going to use linguine noodles. You can also use fettuccine alfredo noodles, but I like to use linguine noodles, boneless skinless chicken breast, and some frozen broccoli. So guys, you can use your favorite seasoning for your chicken, whatever that is, whatever you like to use, go ahead and use it. So let's get started with boiling the noodles. We're going to add some salt to the pan. So I'm going to boil my noodles from 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my chicken. This is some extra virgin olive oil, and then you want to just add your favorite seasonings here. Just go ahead and rub the oil and the seasonings in really well. Guys, I feel like this recipe is very similar to Olive Garden. So if you like that thick, cheesy Alfredo dish there, you'll love this. So you also want to make sure that you're seasoning both sides of the meat so that it'll taste good. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to a saute pan on medium-high heat. You do want to make sure that your chicken is cooked all the way through. I actually took this out and put it in the oven to let it cook through for a little while longer. You just want to be safe. But yeah, just go ahead and cook it, and then if you need to put it in the oven, you can go ahead and put it in the oven for a couple minutes. Here we're going to go ahead and add a whole stick of butter. Yes, do not judge me. This is the recipe. This is what's going to make it taste like Olive Garden. So I do recommend that you use the Kerry gold butter. Yes, use the whole entire stick. Don't judge me. I just threw in some minced garlic, about 3/4 teaspoon, and right here I'm going to add the whole pint of heavy cream. So as you guys can see, this is not going to be a low-fat meal. It is full flavored. If you enjoy Olive Garden fettuccine alfredo, you will love this recipe. It is nice and thick and rich. So I decided to add in a pinch, just a pinch of nutmeg. This will enhance the flavor of the cheese. Then we're going to go ahead and throw in some black pepper, a little bit of salt right there in the pan. And then you're going to go ahead and stir that up. And as you watch this sauce, it's going to get darker in color. There it is right there. And it's going to start to get nice and thick. This took probably about 15 minutes for it to get at this point. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add in the Parmesan cheese. I have shredded, and I also have grated Parmesan cheese. And then you're going to also see me throw in some Romano cheese. Comment below and let me know what cheeses you like to use in your sauce. So again, this sauce is really thick, so I decided to add in about a cup to a cup and a half of milk. So everything is just kind of to taste, your taste and the consistency that you like. So here we're going to add some broccoli to the air fryer. Guys, if you do this in the air fryer, make sure you're watching it. Here we're going to add in the pasta noodles that has cooked to the directions on your package. Go ahead and strain off the water. Alright, so now let's start hooking up this dish. So you want to go ahead and slice up your chicken breast, or you can dice it up, just depends on how you like it. Again, this is just how I do things. Cooking is not just about, following a recipe directly. You can add and take away from it and make it the way you like it. So we're going to add the noodles into the sauce. You want to make sure you get that well incorporated. If it starts to get too thick, go ahead and add some more milk to the mixture. You also want to taste it at this point to make sure your sauce has enough seasonings. Taste your food as you go, guys. Here we're going to add in that broccoli that we took out of the air fryer, and then we're going to mix that all in. You can actually use more to your preference. If you like more, add more. If you don't, you don't have to add broccoli at all. Actually, you can do this with chicken by itself. You can do it with shrimp, anything you like. So you're gonna see I just dumped in the rest of the milk that I had. Look guys, I'm cooking from home and this is how I cook. To taste, texture, things like that. You want to just work as you go along, and I felt like it needed more milk, so I added more milk. So I should mention at this point, the stove is on a very low heat. You want to make sure that the sauce does not burn. So guys, I hope you all are having a great new year so far. Have you guys checked out the rest of my videos? If not, when this video is over, go ahead and click on some of my other videos. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. That really helps me out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and plate this pasta up. It was so yummy. I'm telling you, if you like Olive Garden, guys, this is the recipe to make. Look at that, girl. And at the end, you can go ahead and add some dried parsley. Dried parsley does not give flavor, it's just for color. You can add fresh parsley if you really want some flavor added on. And then you can add more cheese if you like. Guys, if you make this recipe, let me know what you think. Alright guys, so that's the end of the recipe. If you make this, let me know what you think of it. Don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram at Solo Dolo Cooking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.